folks, I'm sorry, but I went through quite, so it's in March, we do get some beer. Do you have any clearly enough? Everybody's good? Down the road, this is Canterbury Plains. So we're now coming out of the volcano. This is one of our exits out of the volcano.
Ancestors come to New Zealand in 1841 from Sussex, England, and they were destined for Auckland. Everyone knows where Auckland is, a wee way from here. They had two broken rudders on. Pretty much a border collie, except got short head. So these also come over on the ship. Wallinga Rose, Wallinga Rose. She's about 8 years old, and her job is to run up the hill, head the sheep, go around the sheep and bring them back to us. That's all natural. And then I'll start, he'll get his turn. So the two dogs are complete opposites. One's to head the sheep and pull them away from sheep. So we teach them to go left, right, stop, off sheep, just me and him. And then when I go back to training on sheep, he'll know it. There's no excuse for not knowing it. Just like lunging a horse.
right to clap?
Clap.
That's a great job.
Yeah.
there, Mary? All the farmers that had Romney sheep had pretty much all the money. And every year they'd sell their wool, buy a brand new Ballyash. There we go. Now lambs, unlike you and me, are born with teeth. That's something you and I weren't born with. And so the lambs, while they've got babies' teeth, in 10 months' time they'll have adult teeth, then they're mutton. That's the difference between lamb and mutton. It's adult teeth. Okay. So this lamb, you can see it's got seeds in it, some seeds that are in the skin, and they're sharp. So you can imagine that down your underwear, what it's like. Not very comfortable. So we shear them and they all fall out, the seeds. The lamb's happy. You've got to keep lambs happy if you want to put weight on them. That's a happy lamb. That's a happy lamb. So you come and touch it if you want to.
Yeah, are they always that cooperative?
I find it quite fascinating. So the kiwi is flightless, it's about the size of a good rooster, a chicken, a good sized one. The piano, which is another lovely big hall from stories, but that is the exception. These other buildings, the tall ones you see around us, were here prior to the earthquakes, and were good enough, as Mr. Smith is doing.
Alrighty, folks, we're going to get underway. So this is some of the best retail shopping in New Zealand. So we lost 1,257 buildings that day, Christchurch Central City. The reality is now on our left-hand side. The two old plane trees